So yeah, how's your chocolate bars?
Oh, they were pretty good. I ate them all already.
Oh man, I'm still working on mine, man.
That's huge.
Yeah, I'll just put it in the fridge real quick. I'll leave it there.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so what do you want to do? It's a pretty nice house.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a nice house. Oh.
I usually just
Play ping pong, get on the couch, yeah, that stuff. Oh man. I need to go pee. You got a bathroom anywhere?
do that door.
Alright, thanks. So, come here often?
Yeah, kind of. It's my house.
Oh, right. Sorry, I forgot it's your house. So, man, whew, nice house you got here.
Thank you.
So, you do anything here? Oh, it's hot in here. Whew. Man, you okay? It's pretty hot to me. Are you hot?
No.
You hot? No? How are you not hot? It is hot in here. No? You sure?
What did you do in the bathroom?
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's really cold. Oh, ooh. Isn't this weird? Man, your house is crazy. You got AC or something? Like,
That's a microwave.
oh, right. Sorry. I